Decisions are made both on conscious and unconscious level. When two decisions don't agree with each other, we experience anxiety. Don't let yourself be controlled by three things: people, money, or past experiences. Most men love women with thick and longer hair. Teenagers who do not positive peer relations with family or friends are at a high risk of developing substance abuse and depression. Teenagers are more likely to take more risks than any other age group. Mind everything what you think you become. Live every day, not only weekend. People who are more perfectionist are more likely to be depressed because they stress themselves out so much. If you focus on life's positive, then negative will fade away. When a man is dealing with two women, he'll always stay with the one who has a weak mind. The desire to know your own soul will end all other desires. Everything is temporary, don't stress. Psychology says the key to confidence is walking into a room and assuming everyone likes you. The top wish among all teen girls is for their parents to communicate better with them.